In this video, we will compare best top 3 automatic vacuums over $100 you can get on Amazon.com. This video contains affiliate links. When it comes to automatic vacuums, the market offers a wide array of options with various features and price points. Today, we'll be diving deep into the top 3 best-selling models over $100 on Amazon. The Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, and the Roborock Crevo S. We'll explore the pros and cons of each product to help you decide which one best suits your home cleaning needs. 1. Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. Overview: the Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is a slim, powerful, and budget-friendly vacuum designed for efficient cleaning on hard floors and medium-pile carpets. Despite its low profile, it delivers strong suction and operates quietly. Pros: ultra-thin design. At only 2.85 inches tall, it easily slides under furniture. Strong suction power, 2,000 pascal suction for deep cleaning. Quiet operation. Produces minimal noise, making it ideal for households with pets and kids. Affordable. Great performance at a competitive price point. Self-charging. Automatically returns to its dock when the battery is low. Cons: limited smart features, lacks advanced mapping and virtual boundary functions. No mop function. Strictly a vacuum with no mopping capability. Random navigation. Moves in a random pattern, which may lead to missed spots. Small dustbin. Requires frequent emptying. You can find the affiliate link for this product in Amazon in the video description below. 2. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus Overview. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus stands out with its self-emptying and mopping capabilities, along with smart mapping and room-specific cleaning. Pros: self-emptying, holds up to 60 days worth of debris. Smart mapping, allows room-specific cleaning and voice control via Alexa. Mop and vacuum combo, handles both vacuuming and mopping efficiently. Personalized cleaning, learns your schedule and suggests cleaning times. Cons: expensive, higher price point compared to competitors. Bulky design, may struggle to reach under low furniture. Mop function limitations, not as effective on tough stains. Noise level, louder than other models. You can find the affiliate link for this product in Amazon in the video description below. 3. Roborock Crevo S. Overview: the Roborock Crevo S is a feature-packed powerhouse with high suction, self-washing mops, and advanced automation. Pros: powerful suction, 7,000 pascal suction tackles deep dirt and debris. Self-washing and drying mops, ensures mops stay clean and odor-free. Smart navigation, uses LIDAR for precise room mapping. Self-emptying and refilling, reduces the need for hands-on maintenance. Cons: premium price, one of the most expensive options. Complex setup, requires time and effort to configure. Bulky docking station, takes up significant space. Occasional app issues, connectivity problems with the app. You can find the Amazon affiliate link to this product on the video description below.